In this video, we'll show you how to verify and claim your website in your Merchant Center account. By verifying your domain, you're letting us know that you're an authorized owner of your website. Claiming your website then associates the verified URL with your Merchant Center account. Skipping this step would keep your products from showing up on Google if you've selected to promote your products through shopping ads or free listings. Now we'll show you how to claim and verify your website. From the top menu, click the Tools and Settings icon. Under Tools, select Business Information, then click on the Website tab. Enter your website address, then click Continue. Next, you've got several options for completing your verification. We'll guide you through the recommended way, but you can learn about the other options in the text below the video. Select Add an HTML tag or upload an HTML file to your website. Then, choose between adding an HTML tag or uploading an HTML file. You or your website administrator will need to add or upload it to your website using the method that works for you. Possible methods include a site admin tool, FTP, or terminal or shell access. Then click Verify your online store. Claiming your website is the final step. Click Claim Website. You're now the proud new owner of a Merchant Center account with a verified website. Time to celebrate. For more information, visit the Google Merchant Center Help Center.